All right, so the first thing we did was the side break, back break, okay? First of all, my name's Jim, this is Christina, this is AEL. Okay, gotta give kudos to the boss. Okay, there we go. All right, so we have our side break, and 1, 2, 3, then we do the back break. And 1, 2, 3. From there we went to a cross body lead, same kind of idea except we're rotating it. So we have and 1, 2, 3. We'll do that again. And 1, 2, 3. Making sure that it's a complete half turn when we're done. We also did the sliding door. So we had and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And then we have one little special demo. Oh, we're not going to do it. All right. Well, thank you guys for coming tonight. And we have a lot of music for you. If anybody has any special requests, come see the DJ. He's kind of a jerk.